In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate an ActiveScale feature called Object Notification Service, or ONS for short. This is a service that monitors your object store for changes and sends out a notification when an S3 event occurs. When activity happens at the S3 API, that action is considered an event, and that event triggers a notification. Applications can subscribe to these notifications and take action based on the event type. S3 events can be upload, download, copy, or deletion. This is a very powerful feature. Let's say your users are uploading photos. When a photo is uploaded or put, that event triggers a notification. And now applications subscribing to the notification are aware that the photo was put. And this gives you the ability to create microservices that act on that event. In this example, you may configure ActiveScale to call a service that generates thumbnails every time a photo is uploaded. You can use Object Notification Service to trigger any external services you have available. You could use it for things like image analysis, facial recognition, machine translation, document analysis, and of course many others. But as you can see, the potential of this feature in workflow automation is very much unlimited. In this demonstration, I'm going to be using ONS to trigger the transcoding of video files. In the media and entertainment industry, this is a very common task. If you're running a video streaming service, it's useful to transcode several versions of each video and optimize them for playback on various devices. With ONS, you can configure ActiveScale to call a transcoding service every time a video is uploaded and automatically convert that video to the desired format. Here's what the workflow might look like. I've created a bucket on my ActiveScale system where users can upload their videos, and I've named it ONS Test. I have it open in my S3 client, and you can see the bucket is currently empty. I've configured ActiveScale to send out an event notification every time a video is uploaded to this bucket. To process the files, I've created a microservice that is running in this terminal window in the lower right of the screen. It listens for object notifications and calls a transcoding function when a new video is uploaded. After the file has been processed, the new transcoded file is placed in this bucket, which is named Transcoding Files. For this demonstration, I'm transcoding every video that's uploaded to the ONS test bucket to an MP4 file with a resolution of 240p. So let's get started. First, I'm going to upload a test video to ActiveScale. I'll just drag and drop it into my client. Looking at the terminal window, we can see that ActiveScale has sent out an event notification and the microservice is processing it. Now that the transcoding process is complete, and if we refresh the S3 client, we can see our brand new transcoded file. Let's take a closer look to make sure the file transcoded successfully. First, I'll download the new file, and when we inspect this file, we can see that it has indeed been converted to an MP4 and the resolution is 240p. Our old file, by the way, was an MOV file that was recorded at 1080p. Since we're here, I'm going to take the remaining files, upload those to ActiveScale so they can be transcoded as well. If you're reading the output in my terminal window, you may have noticed something interesting. I didn't write the transcoding function myself. That's been done before, so I don't need to do it again. Instead, I'm using a cloud service provider to do the transcoding for me. This is known as a hybrid cloud deployment. The data is stored locally in ActiveScale, but is processed by a service provider that is hosted in the public cloud. This approach can speed up your development time dramatically. It gives you access to the full array of cloud-based services, but since you're storing the data locally, you can avoid the storage fees that would normally be charged by the hosting provider. Also, keep in mind that ActiveScale uses the S3 API as its native interface, which means it's really easy to integrate ActiveScale with your existing cloud-based services. Okay, it looks like the transcoding is complete. When we refresh our S3 client, we can see that the rest of the videos have been converted to the proper format as well. For more information on ActiveScale and how you can streamline your workflow with its object notification service, visit our website.